Are you looking for a motorcycle phone holder that has high quality but also includes all those premium features from all the other brands, but at an actual affordable price point? Because GRxplore have a whole load of different sets just for your motorcycle. And I kid you not, you can buy an entire set for £50 here in the UK or $64 in the USA, and it has all of those features. The GRxplore has it literally all. Worried about your phone being shaken to death and knackering your camera? Well, no longer, because it has a vibration dampener. Also easy to install with a RAM mount. But not just that, there is no need to go and buy one of their expensive phone cases every single time you change your phone, because it has a universal adapter to fit any phone. But let me show you exactly how good the GRxplore actually is. Let's go through a complete unboxing, installation, and of course, the real well test. Let's start with the great unboxing. The first box I open is a universal ball head mounted. This comes with 4 different handlebar spacers. The handlebar clamp feels heavy duty with an aluminium alloy material, making it sturdy and durable. You also get an Allen key for easy fitting. The 25.4 ball socket dual pivot arm feels extremely sturdy, also made from aluminium. It has a twist lock anti-theft system and can be rotated 360 degrees. Next is the quick release vibration dampener shock absorber, designed to reduce vibration caused while riding. The vibration dampener is designed to take away any sudden vibrations that could cause damage to your phone, and comes with the right size Allen key for easy fitting. You also get a second ball joint that goes onto the back of the vibration dampener. This is the aluminium alloy magnetic lever quick release head. It's designed using CNC machining, made from aluminium, making it ultra strong. The design of the quick release lever means that you're able to remove your phone and put your phone into place with just one hand, making it super quick for when you get off the bike. The second generation universal quick release phone sticker that has a round disc shape and has a full 3M sticker on the back. Now it's time to move on to installation. The first thing you want to do is take your vibration dampener. Also pick up your magnetic lever quick release head. This simply screws onto the back of the quick release head. Now take your ball joint and you put the bolt through the back of that, through the vibration dampener and onto the quick release head. Using the Allen key provided, simply tighten. Next, take your ball socket dual pivot arm, simply pop in the ball joint into the end, likewise with the handlebar mount. Simply twist the butterfly clip to lock it into place. Now it's time to install your second gen universal quick release phone sticker. Buy a new phone cover. Once you've got your cover, place your mobile phone inside the cover. This will give it a nice, firm, solid base. Once you've done that, take your second generation universal quick release phone sticker. Peel the protective cover off of the 3M sticky pad and stick it on the back of the center of the phone cover. With a good firm press, it will be locked and secure in place. And finally, remove the protective cover on the sticky mount before use. Installing the phone mount on your bike, select the right spacer for the thickness of your bars. This simply pops round the bar. Undo the bolt in the universal ball head mount. This will release the clamp. Once it's released, pop it over your spacer, pop the bolt back in and tighten with the Allen key. Once firmly tightened, your phone mount shouldn't move at all on your bars. To adjust the mount in the right position, all you have to do is simply twist the butterfly clip, adjust the mount to the perfect position and retighten. Take your phone and simply go to the mount and its magnetic pull will clip it into place. To release it, just pull the quick release tab and pull away. It's as simple as that. Now it's time for the real well test. So out on the road, as you can see, you can position your phone absolutely perfectly using this RAM mount style extension where you can twist it and turn it to get that perfect angle. Just works amazingly. And on country bumpy roads with the vibration dampener, there is no worries about any damage being caused to my camera lens, meaning I've got that extra peace of mind as well. But say you find a spot where you want to grab yourself a quick picture of your bike. The awesome side with the phone holder is the quick release system that just could not be any easier, because all you need to do to be able to take your phone off the mount, don't even need to take your gloves off. This little tab here, you just slide down and it clips off. Super easy. That means that you can grab that quick, awesome photo. And then to jump back on your bike to get the mount system straight back on again, all you've got to do is literally clip it into place and you're away. And of course you have all the benefits of having a phone holder that's so easy to use like this, because you can unlock your navigation for when you're on a trip, so you can easily follow it or get your playlist for your music. If you've got a comm system, just tap on it and you're away. Having your phone there is super handy. Now for those longer trips, you want to charge your phone, most bikes these days come with a USB charger. If not, you can grab one off the internet pretty cheap. Run a wire to the bottom of your phone and give your phone a charge as you're going. But this has to be the most easiest phone holder for mounting and getting your phone on and off I've ever seen. Another really good thing about this system is this universal mount. That means you can stick it onto any phone case. Now don't go and buy yourself one of the really cheap silicone cases, because they're really bendy and they fall apart. Make sure you get yourself a good hard plastic case. But look at it, it fits so well, and you've got this big sort of space with the 3M tape behind it. That means that it's got a really good firm thing. Look, it's not coming off in any way whatsoever, and plopping it back on here, it's not going to move. And knowing that you've picked your phone case means you get the colour that you want, and you can get the colour that either matches your bike or your favourite colour like me, that's blue. So you're not having to deal with one of those boring black cases that you get with all of the other phone holders out there. This is the way to do it. And at the price point of £50 here in the UK, you're getting a really high quality, premium, heavy duty built phone holder. It has aluminium base frame to it, what means that the actual stand that goes on your bike's aluminium, as well as the extension that goes up is aluminium as well, and it's got that real rugged feeling to it. What's not any kind of cheap or hard plastic that's just going to deteriorate and you'll find will start coming loose on the bike. This is high quality and built to last. That means it's going to last years and years and years. For all of your adventures, buy it once and I don't think you'll be buying another one. And when it's time for your phone to be upgraded, because they sell all these individual parts on the website, the universal mount you can buy separately. So you don't have to buy a whole new kit, a whole new system. You just pop on there, pick up another universal mount, stick it on your nice high quality phone cover, the colour that you've picked, the design that you've picked, and then stick it on the back of that and you're away. You're set up and ready to go within seconds. It's just easy. How good is the GRxplore motorcycle phone holder? I mean, it just is next level at that super premium quality. Now you can select all different sets on their website, and to make life super easy, I've left you all of the links down in the description, and of course the latest discount code. So pop down there, click on that and pick up your phone mount today, because this is premium at a proper affordable price.